Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today we are doing a follow-up to my last video when we installed the gutter guards. So, the original video was taped on October 3rd, but I released it in November because I kind of like to spread out my videos a little bit. So, here's what we found. So, it's November, day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and we're going to go on my roof and see what we have. I haven't touched anything since I installed this. So here is what the gutter guard looks like right now. There's definitely some stuff out here. Branches and things have gone. But the thing I'm seeing here is I'm seeing a little bit of definitely a little bit of dirt and things. It's recommended that you brush them off. There's actually an offer to get a brush, which I still have to register my stuff and get the brush, but overall it looks like it's holding up pretty well. Here's this side here. One person commented about, being a scam. I'm not really sure. I'd rather shoot this off with a water hose than having to go and dig through this like usual. So that's that. If you guys have any questions or issues, let me know. Like I said, this stuff comes right off. Gonna hose it down and maybe send a picture of that. Anyway, if you have any questions or issues, let me know. Till next time, take care.